寧欺白蘇公，莫欺少年窮。寧欺白蘇公，莫欺少年窮。
It is a Cantonese idiom that reminds people not to look down young people because young people have a lot of possibilities in their future. The translation of this idiom is would rather bully an old man than bully a youth because he is poor. For example,
寧欺白蘇公，莫欺少年窮。請唔好睇小年輕人啊！寧欺白蘇公，莫欺少年窮。請唔好睇小年輕人啊！
in English, it means you would rather bully an old man than bully a youth because of his poverty. Please don't look down young people. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.